Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel, and I know you will be watching this on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to one and all. So today we'll be doing a walking video. We'll be walking from where I am to in the middle of Alpha Tree. That's at the clock in Alpha Tree, so you guys stay tuned. So we're gonna be basically walking from the intersection of South Avenue and Kingston Spring Road. So you guys definitely like the video, definitely comment, and definitely share as well, so that more persons can see the type of content that we're producing. So it is December 24th, Christmas Eve, which we in Jamaica call Grand Market. So that's what we're going to be walking. So we'll be looking at the different light decor and the different plazas, and also just check out a little bit of the Grand Market crowd. It's about 11 p.m. at night, so the crowd may be big, it may be small. And I know over the years Grand Market shopping at night have decreased a lot. You know, when I was a child, you know, when you hear about Grand Market, you think about thousands and thousands of people, but that has changed a bit. So with that in mind, let's get walking. So this is an unedited video. I'm just gonna be walking and videoing. At time I may have to play music to cut out copyright music, so I may have to play some different music based on where I'm at, because you know, produced music is copyright, but you have music you can play which are copyright free. So yeah, you may not hear a lot of talking as well, because the place may be noisy. So again guys, Merry Christmas. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for supporting me through another year. I know this year is not a lot of video ups and down. I know drone crash and a lot of things, but thank you guys. So right now we're at Lane Plaza, Rapid True Valley over here. You know, different shops around the place, clothes store here and there, Sakura Chinese here, and from here we're just gonna be walking. So we have Burger King across the road and Texaco Grab and Go. So stay tuned guys, enjoy the video, like, comment and share. And in the comments just let me know if you have ever been to Grand Market, and what was your favorite Grand Market, and which town area you think have the best Grand Market. So 7th Avenue Plaza, and this is the intersection we're starting from, South Avenue and Kingston Spring Road. Let's walk. So this is now the Village Plaza. So they decided to go with blue. Nice Christmas tree. We have Twin Gates Plaza, Island Grill, and a lot of other shops. You know, a lot of crowds still in Island Grill. Have a Wendy's right here, and then a Starbucks. Starbucks is closed, but nowadays Starbucks fuller than KFC. So this is the only Starbucks in Alpha Tree, but we have one in New Kingston, one in Fontana, Barbican. So this is the mall or the mall plaza. So a person still selling, but not a lot of crowd to me. In Tropical Plaza.
Is there any toys?
You know, say you're talking
Infamous KFC still open. And we have Springs Plaza over there. Alright guys, I hope the video is not too dark. I am videoing from my GoPro. So a lot of sellers, clothes, toys mainly, and clothes. We have Premier Plaza and Central Plaza.
Something over here, so cheap.
that's Pavilion Mall. So almost in half a tree, but still not a lot of cloud. But almost in the center of a tree, but not a lot of crowd as usual. Let me know what you guys think about the crowd. Again, now it's about 11:30 p.m. Park Plaza.
Hello, good night. Can I sell you something now,
Alright, so it's safe to say half a tree is technically empty. Here you still have taxis, buses, people shopping. A lot of the business places something up till, sorry, open up till probably this time. But you know, probably more sellers than buyers. And of course the yellow bus would stop run, but you still have the taxis. So we're in the middle of a tree, transport center, Jamaica National. So it's a very quick walk. Thank you guys for walking with me. So this is a night video, a Christmas light video, a Grand Market video, a Christmas Eve video, all of them in one for you guys. And again, Merry Christmas when it comes. We're gonna cross over. So more sellers than buyers. Approximately 11:30 p.m.
DJ wanted. We'll see a 5%. Low time and triple them for the ladies.
Another KFC. Alright guys, so this is the unedited walk, Grand Market edition. Not a lot to see. I'm sure probably somewhere like downtown. Possibly it's busier. Possibly. But yeah, I'm originally from Maypen, so growing up as a child, Maypen Grand Market always jam-packed, ram-packed. I'm not sure how it is these these years, last years now. I haven't been there in a while for a grand market. But yeah. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, subscribing, thanks for supporting, thanks for all you do. See you in 2024. Be safe. Spend some time with friends and family.